Hi everyone, I'm Shubham. I'm a master teacher at Vedantu. We are discussing JEE Advanced 2021, Paper 1, Mathematics, and the question for this video is this. For x being real, the number of real roots of the equation, the given equation is. A quick way to find the number of real roots is by plotting curves. How's that? Consider 3x square plus x minus 1 equal to 4 times mod of x square minus 1. Let's first plot the right hand side. X square minus 1 curve will be something like this, cutting x-axis at 1 and minus 1. But since mod of x square minus 1 is there, it will not go below x-axis. It will sort of rebound or reflect with respect to x-axis. The part below x-axis will reflect with respect to x-axis, and it will rebound or bound back to above x-axis. So it will go something like this. And what about 4 times? So 4 times means it will decrease more steeply and increase more steeply. Yeah. So this essentially would be something like this. Here, this x coordinate here would be minus 1, and here it will be 1. In fact, when x is 0, it becomes 4. Now let's plot the left hand side, 3x square plus x minus 1. Now compared to the right hand side, the left hand side will decrease less steeply. Yeah, and also on the other side it will increase also less steeply. At x equal to 0, it is something negative, minus 1. Now, at x equal to minus 1, it is positive. At x equal to 1, also it is positive. The x coordinate of the vertex will be minus b by 2a. So it becomes minus 1 by 6. So the graph will turn out to be something like this. At x equal to minus 1, it is positive. At x equal to minus 1 by 6, it has vertex. At 0, it is minus 1. At 1, it is essentially 3. The point is it is positive, and it will go something like this. So clearly there are 4 intersection points, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means the number of real roots would be 4. Just to emphasize once more, here, since this 4 is coming, so this parabola, or so to speak, part of parabola would decrease faster than this red part. Why? Because here the coefficient of x square is 3 only. Similarly, it will increase slower. This red part will increase slower compared to this blue part. And hence, there are 4 intersection points and 4 solutions. So this is the best way to do this. So this was method 1. You can do it alternatively using method 2, where you can make cases. One case is x square is between minus 1 close to 1 closed. And another case would be x square is, first case would be x square is less than equal to 1, and of course greater than equal to 0. So x becomes between minus 1 close to 1 closed. And another case will be x either greater than 1 or less than minus 1. So in this case 1, this will open with minus sign because x square is less than equal to 1. So you may say 3x square minus 4, or you may say plus 4 x square minus 1. Why? Because this x square minus 1 will open with minus sign, and this minus I have consumed with that, plus x minus 1 equal to 0. So what we have is 7x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Actually 7x square plus x minus 5 equal to 0. So the two roots you get is minus 1 plus minus root 141 by 14. Now if you consider the one with minus sign, root 141 is less than 13, because 13 square is 169. In fact, it is even less than 12, because 12 square is 144. So here minus root 141 is greater than minus 12. Minus 1 minus root 141 is greater than minus 13. So this whole expression when we take minus sign is greater than minus 13 by 14, hence greater than minus 1, and of course less than 0. The other root, minus 1 plus root 141. Root 141 will be less than 12, minus 1, so less than 11, and less than 11 divided by 14 is less than 11 by 14, and of course positive. So that means both the roots lie in this interval minus 1 closed to 1 closed, hence both are acceptable. Now coming to the case 2, when x is either less than minus 1 or greater than 1. So in this case, mod x square minus 1 will open with plus sign. So you get 3x square minus 4, x square minus 1 plus x minus 1 equal to 0. So what you get is minus x square plus x plus 3 equal to 0, or you may say x square minus x minus 3 equal to 0. So the two roots you get are 1 plus minus under root 13 by 2. Now considering the first, the plus 1 plus root 13 by 2, root 13 is greater than 3. So 1 plus root 13 is greater than 4. So when you divide by 2, it is greater than 2. So of course it is greater than 1. Now the one with minus sign, 1 minus root 13. Root 13 is greater than 3 because 3 square is 9. So minus root 13 is less than minus 3. 1 minus root 13 is less than minus 2. And when you divide by 2, that expression becomes less than minus 1. So again, the other root is also acceptable. So that means these two roots are also acceptable. Why? Because they lie in this interval only. So that means there are 4 roots. 4 is the answer. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for the next question.